Hi guys, in this video we're going to learn about the speed of sound waves, the speed of water waves, and then we'll finish with a summary.
Once you know the speed that a wave travels at, the wave can be very useful for you in terms of calculating distances and things. So it'd be great if we could measure the speed of our waves. We can find out the speed of our wave if we know its wavelength and its frequency. To do this, we use the wave equation. The wave equation tells us that the wave speed is equal to the frequency multiplied by the wavelength. So this V here represents the wave velocity or wave speed, and it's measured in meters per second. The F is the easiest to remember. The F stands for frequency, which is measured in hertz. And finally we have this wavelength. So the wavelength is given by the Greek symbol lambda, and it's measured in meters. So we want to measure the speed of sound. We're going to do this by measuring its frequency and its wavelength. We're going to need to introduce some different bits of apparatus that we're going to use for this. Let's start with a frequency generator. A frequency generator is a machine that tells machines like speakers what frequency to work at. So a speaker like the speaker we have here is going to emit sound waves, and it will emit sound waves at some frequency, but that frequency could be 1 Hertz or it could be 2000 Hertz or even 15,000 Hertz. It could emit all sorts of frequencies. We use our frequency generator to choose which frequency the speaker should operate at. So we have a dial here, and by turning the dial we could choose 1 Hertz or we could choose 15,000 Hertz, for example. There is another piece of apparatus we're going to need. An oscilloscope, when connected to a microphone, takes a wave at some frequency and makes it into a picture on a screen that we can look at. So here is our oscilloscope, and it essentially turns the wave into a graph.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the SnapRevise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.